morning. Today is December 25th. Merry Christmas! And my family is here in Hawaii. And we're about to head out right now to go to church. So let's go inside.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Oh my goodness! It's so nice out, so I decided to film out here. I just wanted to share the sponsor for today's video. Thank you to Dossier for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love their perfume scents. They're a perfume company that makes high-end luxury scents for a super affordable price. So most of their perfumes are $29, whereas the original scent that they're replicating is around $50 to $290. So I love how affordable it is. If you don't like the scent, they have a policy of free returns with no questions asked or even exchanges. I also love the perfume itself, especially this magnetic case, and all of the smells are so exact to the original. It smells so good. It's also really nice that the perfume is super small, so I was able to take it on my carry-on. I mean, I only have a little bit left, but I like that I was able to carry it on to the plane so that I can just smell nice whenever I'd like. And for me, like, smelling nice is super important, so I love to have one of these around all the time, and a lot of the times I keep it in my purse. So please do not forget to check out Dossier and use my code SerenaL10 for money off. And thank you so much once again to Dossier for sponsoring this video. Now we are here for lunch. It smells so good in here. Wow, this is really good. Can I have one iced macadamia vanilla latte, iced cocoa mocha latte with almond milk, please? One salted caramel mocha with, yes please, with oat milk, please.
Then the small latte.
And then one white mocha toffee latte. We stopped at a coffee truck and they had such interesting flavors. This is almond s'more. Okay. I'm gonna try. I know, 물을 먼저.
Very fresh. It's like a jello.
napkin 좀 쫙 돌려.
Wow. It like melts in your mouth.
이거 하나씩 먹는 거야, 세 가지야.
We are going to the pool now. It's so pretty.
Yeah, you need a key.
You didn't get a key, did we?
아니, can you use our room key? Is there in your room key option?
I think that
No.
no.
Is that the villa key? No, I think we could use the room key. Can we try just putting it against it to see what
Yeah.
happens?
Where's the key?
Right here.
Against where?
No, I don't think there's anything.
No. Look at the leaves. Oh, these are gorgeous. Wow. I've never seen
Just going to walk around before dinner. I low-key kind of like this. No? Me? No, bless you. Sure, I kind of like those.
Yeah, these are $52.
Oh. Oh, you have to put it on like that?
Yeah, because it's basically like a choker.
That's.
What does it look like? I think it would look good if I wasn't wearing a shirt.
so many.
Ring a ling, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day.
I know for sure he's going to someone.
Yeah, no.
I saw a clip.
Oh, you did?
Because when I saw that TikTok, I don't know who it was, but when I saw the TikTok, and they said this guy's taking the symbols Inferno like by storm, it just showed him doing that thing, doing this thing, and then walking with the girl to Jungkook.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
고민을
I
하고
think he
있는데
choose Haejong.
제가 천국도에 같이 가고 싶은 분은
I feel like you would choose Haejong and then not vibe with her and then choose them.
지금 막 긴장돼.
Nadine doesn't deserve this sloppy seconds.
제가 천국도에
What the?
진짜네 삼촌이시네요.
쌍축하.
진짜
What?
Well, I mean, that's the first girl he originally chose.
예?
Yeah. I think she deserves it though.
Oh wait, yeah,
She
because she
had
had such
really
a bad experience.
the first
엄마
one.
천국 갔는데, oh, she was
How much
so
so?
uncomfortable. She was.
Oh, what?
I hate her, but can't hate her.
Why? Why do you hate her?
I didn't
All
hate her
the
because-
guys that Nadine wants her to get.
Facts.
Yeah.
Facts. I gotta lose my what's the word?
What do you think it is?
Attachment to Nadine.
Like, why are you so attached to her? She Korean American vibes, man.
아니요, 제가 드릴 수 있어요.
Pretty.
She's not pretty.
드세요.
No, but that was pretty
네,
sweet.
드세요.
Wow.
제가 드릴게요. 네, 괜찮아요. 제가 드릴게요.
와.
네, 드세요.
Wow.
싸다. 저 짐을 다 싸고 나왔다.
Yeah.
That's
They,
so cruel. That's
yeah. What's worse? 짐 싸고 나오고 다시 들어가고 seeing the guy who you know also like that girl gone because he left with her.
Yeah.
That's the worst.
생겼어, 눈걸 맞게.
Oh, Hanbin, he
Hanbin.
never gets anyone.
Wait, I feel like he might get someone.
Really?
Why would they show him?
아까 they said.
You're right.
I hope it's her.
Hoon,
I think she's gonna give him a
you're
chance.
so right.
Yeah, well, because she can't choose Yoonjae again.
Okay, I hope she chooses him. I really like
Don't
them.
say Sejong, you dumb. Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
Junior.
What? Don't choose the Daewang.
I hope she chooses him.
If they show Yoonjae,
What if he goes with Hoi?
What?
oh, I think
No way. You think he will?
다른 남자 안 보여줘.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, oh wow, nice. He gets to go to.
My ear.
Yes. Oh. I also want to know what he does.
Oh yeah, me too.
He suspected he.
Oh my, he gets the Dean. Tebar Nadine, you're so much better than
I feel like
this.
it's obvious. She better not choose him.
No, he's so disgusting.
Oh, but I also want her to go to paradise. No, but
Oh god, look at him.
look at the way he's standing.
Oh, he's so ugly.
Oh.
So ugly.
Well, maybe he learned the experience.
No, 눈치 하나도 없었어. She kept saying like, oh,
I want to like meet other
uncomfortable.
people. Oh, I'm uncomfortable. Yeah.
Oh.
No way.
그리고 guess what? She's 10 years younger than him.
Okay, maybe he'll be different with
Yeah,
her.
yeah.
Yeah, maybe he'll be. We'll give him a chance.
제가 천국도에 같이 가고 싶은 분은
I think it's gonna be something. It's gonna be something wild. We haven't been able to
제가 천국도에 같이 이은 씨입니다.
I wanna see like why. Yes. Maybe he's.
He doesn't want to be.
Yeah. Maybe he's. Yeah, he wants to avoid. So Jungkook already was home. So maybe he likes her. So he doesn't want to go with anyone else. No, we don't like her. But like they had a conversation. 그리고 they showed him 고민하는 거. So we were like, oh no, he's gonna choose the girl we don't like. 근데 he chose a third girl that he talked to once. Yeah, and she chose him, so they went to Jungkook. But it looked like she was interested in another guy, and he was interested in her too. It was crazy.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong.